Just walking back to the hotel. I don't know if you can quite make out the colour of the water, but it's really beautiful turquoise. Really, really nice. And our hotel is that one at the end. Just walking along this rock pool walkway. You can literally just slip. This is where the path comes, and at its narrowest point, and you could fall straight down here. Look how blue it is, a turquoise. Very pretty. It's beautiful, it's really hot now. That's one of the beaches there, and you sort of walk around here. You have to walk across that beach, then you walk around there, and around the corner, and then you walk on to that beach, and then you walk across that beach, and then you walk up some steps and you get to there. There you go, up to you. Here. And that is the coastal walk.